The MSI Z790 Tomahawk WiFi Motherboard is a high-quality solution for enthusiasts and users who require maximum performance and stability. It is based on the Intel 790 chipset, which supports Intel Core processors of the 12th and 13th generations, enabling the use of the latest technologies and delivering excellent performance in the most demanding tasks. The MSI Z790 provides all the necessary features for building a powerful PC, including support for high-speed RAM and graphics cards, modern cooling solutions, fast storage support, and more. In this article, we will thoroughly explore all the capabilities of this motherboard and show why it is an excellent choice for building a powerful and long-lasting computer. One of the key aspects of the MSI Z790 Tomahawk motherboard is its appearance and build quality. The board is designed in a stylish black-gray color with metal inserts, giving it a modern and professional look. The external design takes into account important factors such as the convenience of component placement, improved heat protection, and reinforced mounting points for heavy graphics cards. The motherboard is equipped with several heatsinks that ensure excellent cooling of critical components such as the chipset, VRM, voltage regulation modules, and M.2 slot. This is especially important when overclocking the processor or installing powerful graphics cards, which generate a lot of heat. Improved cooling allows the system to operate at maximum performance without overheating and reduces the risk of instability. Additionally, the reinforced PCIe and M.2 SSD slots guarantee durability and reliability even when installing heavy graphics cards and fast storage devices, which is especially important for building gaming or workstation PCs. Support for Intel Core 12th and 13th generation processors. One of the main features of the MSI Z790 is its support for Intel Core processors of the 12th and 13th generations based on the Alder Lake and Raptor Lake architectures. This means that users can choose the most suitable processor for their needs, from i3 and i5 models for everyday tasks to powerful i7 and i9 processors for gaming, graphics work, and video editing. The motherboard uses the LGA 1700 socket, which is compatible with these processors and delivers excellent performance in multitasking and gaming. Overclocking is also supported on this board, allowing users to maximize performance for those looking to push their processor to its limits. The voltage regulation module VRM is one of the most critical components of any motherboard, especially for high-performance builds. The VRM ensures stable and precise power delivery to the processor, memory, and other components. Overclocking and running high-power CPUs like Intel's Core i7 or i9 generates significant heat, making the VRM cooling system crucial for stability and performance. The MSI Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi incorporates a robust VRM cooling solution designed to meet the demands of modern computing. The MSI Z790 Tomahawk is equipped with extended heat sinks specifically designed to cool the VRMs. These heat sinks cover a significant surface area, ensuring that heat is dissipated efficiently even during high workloads or overclocking. Key design elements include aluminum fins to maximize heat dissipation through improved airflow, high-conductivity thermal pads between the heat sinks and the VRM components to improve heat transfer, and a chunky build that increases the thickness and mass of the heat sinks, providing better thermal absorption. The heat sinks are designed to make direct contact with the power stages and chokes in the VRM, ensuring that heat is effectively transferred away from these components. The VRMs on the MSI Z790 are strategically placed around the CPU socket to benefit from airflow generated by the CPU cooler. This layout enhances cooling efficiency, especially for air-cooled systems. The Tomahawk incorporates premium-grade components in its VRM, which not only perform better but also generate less heat. The board uses a high-phase VRM design with power stages that deliver stable voltage to the CPU. A higher phase count reduces individual phase load, leading to lower operating temperatures. High-efficiency chokes and capacitors are engineered for better energy efficiency, contributing to reduced heat production. The VRM cooling system includes a heat pipe that connects the primary heat sinks. This design improves thermal balance by distributing heat more evenly across the heat sinks. It ensures that even under prolonged workloads, hotspots are minimized and cooling performance remains consistent. For users seeking advanced thermal management, the MSI Z790 supports integration with additional cooling solutions. Mount points and clearances are designed to accommodate active VRM cooling fans for extreme overclocking scenarios. The heat sinks are positioned to work seamlessly with liquid cooling loops, where airflow over the VRMs might be reduced compared to traditional air coolers. Overclocking increases power consumption and generates additional heat, particularly in the VRM section. The MSI Z790 VRM cooling system is designed to handle this by preventing thermal throttling in VRMs and ensuring consistent voltage to the CPU even at higher frequencies. Lower VRM temperatures reduce wear on components, extending the lifespan of the motherboard. The VRM cooling system works in tandem with MSI Dragon Center, which offers dynamic fan profiles to adjust fan speeds based on VRM temperature readings and maintain optimal performance with minimal noise. Real-time monitoring allows users to keep track of VRM and CPU temperatures to ensure the system stays within safe operating limits. The VRM cooling system on the MSI Z790 Tomahawk has been tested extensively to ensure stability in demanding scenarios. Under prolonged stress tests using overclocked Intel Core i7 and i9 processors, VRM temperatures remain well within safe limits. During gaming or heavy multitasking, the cooling system prevents performance drops caused by thermal throttling. The VRM cooling system on the MSI Z790 Tomahawk is a standout feature, combining efficient heat sinks, high-quality components, and thoughtful design to ensure stable power delivery under all conditions. Whether you are an overclocking enthusiast or a professional using resource-intensive applications, this cooling system ensures optimal performance, reliability, and longevity for your build. The MSI Z790 supports up to 128 gigabytes of DDR5 memory with speeds of up to 6,400 MHz, providing users with ample opportunities to work with high-speed memory. Combined with Intel Core processors of the 12th and 13th generations, this memory can deliver exceptional performance in multitasking and resource-intensive applications like video editing, rendering, 3D modeling, and gaming. DDR5 is a new technology that offers higher bandwidth compared to DDR4, reducing latency and boosting overall system performance. The MSI Z790 Tomahawk WiFi motherboard fully supports these improvements and is optimized for working with high-speed memory. For users not planning to use DDR5, the motherboard is also compatible with DDR4 memory, offering flexibility depending on the user's budget and needs. The memory slots are equipped with protective mechanisms to prevent damage and improve thermal regulation, ensuring maximum stability when working with high-speed memory. Connectivity and expansion. The MSI Z790 Tomahawk offers numerous connectivity options, including both traditional USB ports and modern solutions like USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C. It also supports PCIe 5.0 interfaces for graphics cards and other expansions. This makes the motherboard an excellent choice for those who plan to upgrade their system in the future and use the latest devices requiring high bandwidth. The motherboard is equipped with 4 SATA connectors for storage devices and 2 M.2 slots for high-speed SSDs. These ports support the PCIe 4.0 interface, maximizing storage speed and significantly speeding up the boot time of the operating system and the launch of applications. Regarding networking, the MSI Z790 Tomahawk supports both wired connections via 2 Ethernet ports and wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and stable internet access even under heavy load. This is especially important for gamers, streamers, and those working with large amounts of real-time data. Cooling system. The cooling system on the MSI Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi deserves special attention. The motherboard is equipped with several heat sinks for VRM, the chipset, and SSDs, helping maintain stable operation even under high loads. The advanced thermal dissipation system prevents component overheating, increasing their longevity and reliability. For users planning to overclock their system, cooling becomes especially important. The VRM on this board uses reinforced heat sinks and quality components that provide stable voltage for the processor and other key system elements. This is particularly crucial when overclocking, as components operate at their maximum frequencies and can generate significant heat. Additionally, the motherboard supports the connection of additional fans and water cooling systems, allowing users to set up the optimal cooling for their system. Software tools. The MSI Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi comes with various software tools that simplify system setup and management. One of these tools is MSI Dragon Center, which allows users to monitor component temperatures, adjust fan speeds, and manage other system parameters. This application allows users to configure system operation depending on the type of workload, whether for everyday tasks or intensive gaming.